Okay, today we have Bitcoin, Cardano, we have Luna, and we have an article regarding Monster Energy getting involved in the crypto sphere here. Yet another major entity in the traditional world of finance, making its way into blockchain technology, getting involved in NFTs. It would appear. But stick around until the end to not miss any of what's going on. And if you like the video, let me know by dropping a like on the video, and be sure to subscribe as we try to keep these coming at you daily now. We're looking at Cardano here, patiently waiting for bullish robo advisors to appear here. We have not seen bullish confirmations from EngineeringRobo ever since the end of July of 2021. Super buy and buy 4 allowed you to experience upwards of 140% in gains on your investment in 36 days. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 75% ROI utilizing EngineeringRobo's buy and sell suggestions, turning a $1,000 invested into Cardano into over $1,750 in less than 2 months. And as we can see, ever since this bearish combination of robo advisors here, Cardano has been looking for the strongest area of support coming from the end of September. We can see price action experiencing a crippling 66% in downside, losing just over half of your investment investing in Cardano, while EngineeringRobo has been bearish here. We are waiting for bullish confirmations of accumulation to begin comfortably buying Cardano in large extents. We have been accumulating at support, selling when resistance, but moving forward, if you had $1,000 to invest into Cardano, we can put 20% of our investment into Cardano at support. Currently 84 cents near current levels is going to be support, where we can put 20% of our investment into Cardano. If daily candles open and close below 84 cents, confirming it as resistance, watch out guys, because potentially 34 cents is going to be our strongest area of horizontal support down below. In my opinion here, 84 cents is going to be rather crucial here for us. We can put 30% of our investment into Cardano once daily candles open and close above the descending trend line, and we can put that remaining 50% of our money into Cardano when EngineeringRobo confirms some bullish upside here, with 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors becoming bullish. With this buy 4 flashing throughout this downside, Cardano does want to continue its uptrend, however just may not be ready yet. So we always go with the flow of the confirmations. Let me know down below your thoughts on Cardano. So according to recent filings with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, Monster Energy has 4 pending trademark applications related to the NFT and metaverse realms. The first application consists of downloadable virtual goods comprised of, but not limited to, beverages, food, supplements, sports, gaming, music, and apparel. The second filing consists of retail store and online retail store services authenticated by NFTs, in addition to another filing regarding entertainment services. The fourth filing consisting of providing an online software to facilitate the transmission of digital assets among users, powered by blockchain technology here. So essentially, Monster Energy does want to create its own metaverse powered by NFTs with tradable goods and apparel, downloadable content, and virtual entertainment here in the metaverse space. And the article also mentions how some other major entities involved in the space include the New York Stock Exchange themselves filing a trademark application for trading NFTs. Roughly at the same time, McDonald's filed their trademarks for a McMetaverse restaurant, which also includes its iconic McCafe brand, which we did cover here on the channel. So, in my opinion, this is just, continued institutional activity here in the crypto sphere, continuing to make it very difficult for me to be personally bearish on Bitcoin. We've seen some, very heavy, hitters in the traditional world of finance getting involved in the space, whether it be NFTs, the metaverse, or direct Bitcoin accumulation. blockchain technology is just, ever so, increasingly intriguing to a new sector of capital that was, unavailable to Bitcoin previously to it currently. But let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto. Find this article in the description. Green to be seen across the crypto spheres here. As you may have seen, a significant bounce has occurred off of support forming here, continued accumulation, further solidification of support down below. We were recommending you buy several coins at support yesterday, but we're going to look at Luna. We can see the buy for and early bird coming into play for this project throughout 2021, the end of July. After bullish Robo advisors, we can see price action experience a 596% in gains over the following 109 days. But if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, technically we do have 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors becoming bearish at this level here, suggesting you capitalize on 398% in gains, effectively almost quintupling your money with EngineeringRobo, utilizing our buy and sell suggestions between July and November of 2021. We even see an instance with the buy for and moon robo advisor throughout the end of November into 2022 here. You were able to experience a good 69% in gains and still capitalize on profit with EngineeringRobo. And our most recent interaction with sell suggestions, if we zoom in here, we can see this sell for and HE double hockey sticks coming into play throughout the beginning of January of 2022. Price action experienced a crippling 36% in downside, so you roughly lost more than a quarter of your investment if you chose to invest in the project with bearish robo advisors in play. But moving forward, say you had $1,000 to invest in the project. We do have bullish robo advisors occurring with yesterday's daily candle. The buy for and moon present does suggest you can put 50% of your investment into Luna near current levels here when EngineeringRobo became bullish. EngineeringRobo members know to put 50% of our investment in at that level right away. As long as we are within 10% of that level, we can invest 50% based on bullish robo advisors. 30% of our investment can go in once we have a daily candle opening and closing above the descending trend line, and then that remaining 20% can go into the project at support here. The strongest area of support down below is going to be $39.26 in my opinion. However, we do seem to be holding $50.53. So, but let me know down below your thoughts on this coin. Looking at Bitcoin, we can see a very significant bounce occurring from my support level. $34,655 per Bitcoin has been a very, very bullish price to be accumulating Bitcoin. It would appear here, and if we remain above that support level, we would have successfully called and solidified the bottom for this correction. If this double bottom reversal pattern were to successfully play out, then my support line here would have been a very bullish bottom for Bitcoin that we've been anticipating weeks leading up to it. Price action has been under the influence of bearish robo advisors ever since the middle of November, so we have been anticipating continued interaction toward this level here since then. And after a crippling 44% in downside over the following 69 days after bearish robo advisors here, we have been experiencing this bounce off of support 34,655, interacting into the 40k range, peaking near 45,000, returning back to this $34,000 level, and now attempting to find its way back upward here. In my opinion, Bitcoin is in a rather bullish state in my personal opinion, and we are very close to significant technical support and under the influence of some very significant institutional activity near these levels. We were telling you to put 20% of your investment into Bitcoin at support down below. Hopefully you were able to. We can put 30% of our investment back into Bitcoin when we have daily candles opening and closing above the descending trend line, and that remaining 50% can go back in once we have bullish Robo advisors here. So we always go with the flow of the confirmations, but the fear and greed index here suggesting we are far too close to a bottom than a top. In my opinion, the fear zone is an area where you want to be, heavily accumulating while the market is under extreme fear, buying your nicely discounted Bitcoins, and then you want to be heavily considering taking profit in the FOMO zone when the market is very euphoric, afraid of missing out on continued upside for Bitcoin when they already have, because they are too afraid currently to be buying Bitcoin at these discounted lower prices here. But let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto at current levels. We've just been finding it very difficult to be bearish on Bitcoin at these levels. We've had a very dramatic year of sideways here throughout 2021. Everyone and their mom getting shaken out of crypto, but institutions are coming in and accumulating them by the tens of thousands. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube and tune in for the next one.